This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Venza. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, the Comfort Package, the Convenience Package, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear-view camera, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This crossover also has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.